Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 X1 xDrive28i. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo. For wheels, we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Come around back, X1 badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, we've got a dark wood trim, power windows, power seats, heated steering wheel controls, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera with sensors, navigation, hard keys for a media display, dual climate controls, 8-speed automatic transmission, some more hard keys for a media display. This X1 has 57,080 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this BMW X1, check out feldmanimports.com.